Hello guys, Namaskar. In this video, I am going to talk about those people who are facing problems while speaking. They think that words are not coming. Why should I speak this language? How should I speak this language? And how can I learn? How can I improve myself? Words are not coming on, and people are saying who have learned this language, who are social media influencer, who are teacher. They say that words will automatically come if you will learn English. You don't have to translate the sentences Hindi to English or your regional language to English language. No, my technique, especially because I have learned it by myself without spending a single rupee, and I used to learn those techniques I followed. I am going to tell you. You don't have to be worried about this. You just have to learn some sentences. You just need to translate Hindi to English in starting. You don't have to worry, because we come from those backgrounds. Those are not in English medium, and we cannot relate. We cannot relate this language, and we born at that environment where English is not really taken as a very important language. Nobody cares about this language. We are trying to speak this language, so we are just facing problems. And everybody talks that if you are going to learn this language, you don't have to translate Hindi to English. You just have to try to speak whatever your mind has in English language. No, in starting you have to translate. You need to translate. I will say you need to translate, because guys, when I started learning this language, I used to translate so many sentences Hindi to English, because words will not come, because we are not familiar with those sentences. We never been familiar, guys. We never been familiar with those sentences which we are going to speak in English language. We used to understand Hindi language, we used to speak Hindi language, so we just have in our mind only Hindi or our regional language or our native language. So you need to translate. So first technique you have to do is that you have to translate your regional language to English language while speaking, and you will take time to improve. You will definitely take time to improve your English, because in starting, if you are going to speak in English language in front of somebody, you will translate and you will be stuck. Sometime you will be stuck. You will be feeling very low after sticking in front of someone. You will not be able to speak. You will hesitate, and your heartbeat will be high at that moment, so you will feel very low and you will try to give up. But no worry, guys, you don't have to give up. You can learn this language. This is the process. This is first process. If you will pass this process, you will definitely learn this language, because I also have passed this process. Because of only this process I am here, because I never learned this language before. I never used to speak this language before. So how can I have those sentences, those daily use sentences, without knowing about those that language? We need to translate. In starting, you have to translate first. Whatever you are going to speak, you have to translate. If you are not able to translate, you just have to go and search on Google Translate whatever you are going to speak. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके माइंड में आया कि मुझे कल यहाँ जाना है, और यू आर नॉट एबल टू ट्रांसलेट, तो आप गूगल ट्रांसलेट में सर्च करिए और फिर उस सेंटेंस को देखिए कि मुझे कल वहाँ जाना है. आई हैव टू गो टुमारो देयर. आई हैव टू गो देयर टुमारो. इस तरीके से आप सेंटेंस को लर्न कर सकते हैं. स्टार्टिंग में आपको एक्चुअली यू डोंट हैव टू मग अप दीज सेंटेंसेस. phrases, you have to mug up phrases and phrasal verbs, but sentences जैसे easy sentence होते हैं, जैसे कि जो grammatic sentence है उनको आपको mug up नहीं करना है, वो धीरे धीरे आपके माइंड में ऑटोमेटिकली आएंगे। यदि आप उनसे फैमिलियर होते जाएंगे तो आपको जो ट्रांसलेट करना है आपके माइंड में आ नहीं रहा है, आप ट्रांसलेट भी नहीं कर पा रहे। इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू ट्रांसलेट दो सेंटेंसेस, यू हैव टू सर्च ऑन गूगल ट्रांसलेट, जस्ट डाउनलोड दैट ऐप। गूगल ट्रांसलेट इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल, आई एम यूजिंग it too now because it is really helpful for me, because I use when I am not able to understand the vocabs, some vocabs are very tough, so I really search on Google Translate and I found it very helpful. It is really helpful. You just have to translate, you need to translate. In study you don't have to hesitate, and this is just a process. You will have to pass this process. In starting you will hesitate, you will feel very low, that you have to give up, you will be feeling like this is not my cup of tea, I should give up, I should not learn this language, I can learn and other things apart from this. No guys, this is just a process. If you will pass this process, if you are practicing again and again every day in your daily life, you will learn this language guys, you will learn this language. और आपको क्या करना है, शुरुआत में ट्रांसलेट करने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, और जो लोग कहते हैं कि ट्रांसलेट नहीं करना है, डायरेक्ट इंग्लिश में आ जाएंगे सेंटेंसेस, नो यार गाइस, बिकॉज आपने इसके बारे में ज़्यादा सुना नहीं है। यदि आपने लिसनिंग बहुत ज़्यादा की होती है स्टार्टिंग में, if you were listening to so many I mean sentences, speeches, movies in English language, so आपके माइंड में आता ऑटोमेटिकली, ये बात सच है। लेकिन आपने इसके बारे में ज़्यादा सुना ही नहीं, इतना ज़्यादा पढ़ा भी नहीं, इतना ज़्यादा सुनते भी नहीं रहे, इंग्लिश सॉन्ग्स नहीं सुने ना, मूवी देखा करते थे, और एकदम से आपको इंग्लिश लर्न करना है, इंग्लिश में स्पीकिंग सीखना है, तो आपको ट्रांसलेट करना पड़ेगा। You don't have to worry about this and you will learn. ओके तो ये एक मिथ है कि आपको ट्रांसलेट नहीं करना, डायरेक्ट इंग्लिश में ही बोलना है। नो, आपको ट्रांसलेट करना है, ये सबको करना पड़ता है। स्टार्टिंग में जो स्टार्ट करते हैं, जो बिगिनर हैं, उनके लिए ये बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होने वाला है। ठीक है, आपको ट्रांसलेट करना है जो सेंटेंसेस आप बोलना चाहते हैं दिन में, और यदि नहीं आते उनका गूगल ट्रांसलेट कीजिए और फिर आप उसको यूज़ करिए अपने दिन में। तो स्टार्टिंग में आपको ये करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है, आप करिए ये लगातार, और फिर ऑटोमेटिकली आपके बहुत सारे जो ऐसे ऐसे करते करते आपके माइंड में बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट सेंटेंसेस, डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस आने लगेंगे ऑटोमेटिकली। फिर यू विल बी एबल टू स्पीक दो सेंटेंसेस इन योर डेली कन्वर्सेशन विद योर फ्रेंड्स, with other persons. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel and like the video and share to your friends, and I will be uploading these kinds of videos on my channel because मुझे पता है मैंने कैसे लर्न की ये लैंग्वेज शुरुआत से लेकर एंड तक, and I am improving now to this language because learning never ends. Okay, so have a good day, we will meet in another video, bye bye.